Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can delete your YouTube search history. So whenever I tap the search button, as you can see, these are my search history on YouTube. So I want to get rid of it and I don't want others to see my search history. So for that you need to go back, and as you can see, this is the YouTube home screen. You need to tap your logo from the down, this logo, and after that you can see this history. Tap here, and now you need to tap these three buttons from the top right corner and then manage all history. So from here you can delete your watch history, your search history, anything you want. So as you can see, this is the delete option. Tap here and select your custom range if you have any, or if you want to delete only for today, delete it to today, or if you want to delete all time, just tap delete all time. So yeah, that's how you delete your search history or watch history on YouTube.